Hello and welcome to the world of AI-powered transcription. Today, we're diving into OpenAI's Whisper, an advanced AI model that can listen to and understand audio just like us, and it's open source. Whisper isn't just another transcription tool. It's a powerful tool that can handle complex audio files, making it perfect for converting spoken content into text, whether it's a podcast, lecture, or any kind of recording. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up Whisper model so you can start transcribing right away, running the model step by step to transcribe your own audio files in real time, and finally, we'll explore some real-world applications for Whisper, showing how this AI can enhance productivity and bring automation to new levels. So if you're ready to harness the power of AI that hears, let's get started. Let's start by getting a quick look at what Whisper can actually do before we dive into the details. For this example, we'll be using Python, as Whisper was developed with it in mind. We will also show you an example of how to use this with .NET. What we did first was to take an introduction from one of our YouTube videos and convert it into a WAV audio file. This clip is about a minute long. To make sure we get the best results, we'll use Whisper's largest model, which provides the highest accuracy for transcription. Now let's go ahead and run this example so we can see the transcription results. Now let's take a look at how we can run the same example, but this time using .NET. We still need Python for this, as we'll be using a framework called Python.NET. This powerful framework works both ways. It allows Python code to run within .NET applications and .NET code to be accessed from Python, making the integration between the two nearly seamless. All right, let's see it in action. To get started, we'll first need to install Whisper, which we can do easily using pip. After that, we'll need FFmpeg. Since we're on Windows, we can use it quickly using Chocolatey. FFmpeg is a cross-platform tool that enables recording, converting, and streaming of audio and video. And Whisper requires it to handle audio files properly. And that's it. With these two steps, we're all set up and ready to go. Alright, now let's dive into a real-world example. Let's say you want to search YouTube for interesting AI topics, and you would like to transcribe the audio to capture key points, quotes, or even turn it into a blog post. Whisper makes this process incredibly easy. First, we need a way to search YouTube. For this, we can use Google Developer Console. Start by creating a new project, then search for YouTube Data API version 3 and enable it for your project. Once that's done, create an API key to access the service. With this key, we can create an automated YouTube search. Google also provides a NuGet package that you can use. If setting up Google Developer Console isn't your thing, there's another option. You can use a library called YouTube Explode. This library doesn't require a Google account, and it allows you to search YouTube and download audio or video files directly. Now that we've created the applications, let's go ahead and use the audio and run through a Whisper to generate the transcription. And that's it. We've taken a YouTube video, extracted the audio, and used Whisper to transcribe it into text. This workflow opens up so many possibilities, from creating notes to repurposing content. I hope this tutorial has shown you just how powerful and versatile Whisper can be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.